Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper. In additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. And behind me, it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9403. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. The publisher has indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2, well, we have only one dual box. 1 and 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? Let me scan. For quadro boxes, I see only one quadro box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes throughout one can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Upside down. In this case, it's the 3 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting. Filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Oh wait, this is also 1 and 2. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Well, let me think. Well, 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box. So 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those. This box can be 1. So 1. And that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Yeah. Connected with each other. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. This box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then this box can be 1. That box can be a 1. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4 and 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. And this one is connected with that box, should be so 4. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So another pair in this area are the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be in, 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, these two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. I'm stuck. 4 and 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Overlooked. Well, now I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. It's connected with that box, should be so 5. And this one is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 2. Final 2 numbers in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 12 minutes. Wow. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.